Step 1. Remove the wheel and tire. Step 2. Remove the brake caliper spring. Step 3. Remove the caliper. Note: make sure that no load is placed on the brake hose. Note: do not pry in the caliper sight hole to retract the pistons, as this can damage the pistons and boots. Step 3.1. Remove the caps. Step 3.2. Remove the brake caliper guide pin bolts. Step 3.3. Position aside the brake caliper and hang it with a hook to not pull on the brake hose. Step 4. Remove the outboard brake pad. Vehicles with adhesive on outboard brake pad insulator. Note: brake pads with adhesive on the insulator are one-time use only. When the brake pads are separated from the brake caliper, new brake pads must be installed to prevent brake noise and shudder. Note: when installing the new brake pads, make sure to remove the foil backing from the outboard brake pads. Once the foil backing is removed from the brake pads, do not touch the adhesive on the backing. Separate the outboard brake pad from the brake caliper. Discard the brake pad. Step 5. Use a C-clamp and a worn brake pad to compress the disc brake caliper pistons into the brake caliper bore. All vehicles. Note: protect the caliper pistons and boots when pushing the caliper piston into the caliper piston bores, or damage to components may occur. Note: new LH and RH inboard brake pads are different and must be installed on the correct side of the vehicle. There is a directional arrow on the back of the inboard pads that must point downward once installed on the vehicle. Note: for vehicles equipped with adhesive on outboard brake pad insulator, discard the brake pad. Step 6. Remove the inboard brake pad. Step 7. Remove the brake caliper bracket by removing the two bolts holding it down. Step 8. Remove the brake rotor and discard. Reinstallation instructions. All vehicles. Step 1. Apply the specified grease, also known as silicone brake caliper grease or dielectric compound grease, to the specified areas. Step 2. Install new brake rotor. Place the new brake rotor onto the hub assembly, ensuring proper alignment. Step 3. Install the brake caliper bracket. Position the brake caliper bracket and secure it with the two bolts. Torque: 129 foot-pounds, 175 newton-meters. Step 4. Install the inboard brake pad. Install the new inboard brake pad, ensuring it is the correct pad for the left hand, LH, or right hand side of the vehicle. Note: the directional arrow on the back of the inboard pad must point downward once installed. Note: for vehicles with adhesive on the outboard brake pad insulator, ensure the old inboard brake pad was discarded during removal. Step 5. Install the outboard brake pad. For vehicles with adhesive on outboard brake pad insulator, remove the foil backing from the new outboard brake pads and avoid touching the adhesive on the backing. Install new outboard brake pads, as pads with adhesive are one-time use only. Position the outboard brake pad onto the brake caliper. For vehicles without adhesive on outboard brake pad insulator, install the outboard brake pad onto the brake caliper bracket. Step 6. Install the brake caliper. Remove the brake caliper from the hook and position it over the brake pads and rotor. Install the brake caliper guide pin bolts and secure them. Torque: 21 foot-pounds, 28 newton-meters. Install the caps on the guide pin bolts. Note: ensure no load is placed on the brake hose during installation or is twisted. Step 7. Install the brake caliper spring. Attach the brake caliper spring to secure the caliper in place. Step 8. Install the wheel and tire. Refer to wheel and tire for proper installation procedures.